Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get these TikTok secret emojis like these. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you're bored of your phone's stock emojis or just want to try something a bit different, TikTok has its own set of unique emojis that can be used across multiple operating systems with particular emoji codes. So let me show you how to get these emojis. So unfortunately, they are not in the emojis keyboard. The only way of getting it is by typing it in. On screen somewhere, I'll show a list of all the emojis you can use. There are two styles which you can use. The first style is more of a color emoji, while the other style is more like a black and white, and it suits TikTok more in my opinion. So here I have one of my TikTok videos. You need to go into the comment section of it. Next, you want to tap on add comment. So to use these secret emojis on TikTok, first you want to type in a square bracket. Next, you want to tap in an emotion. So here I'll use the first one, which is proud. Next you want to close it off with a square bracket. And once you do that, you'll see that emoji right there. So a square bracket, emotion, or type in a action. So the good news about this emoji is that they all look the same on all the phones. So like an iPhone or Android phone. So you don't have to worry that it might show a different meaning to it. So these are a great way to switch up your comments and make you stand out a little bit more in the busy comment section. And that is how to get the new secret emojis on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.